Christmas Wish Volleyball Edition number 7. And this is for my Cebu girls. Kaya ako naka-blue. Ang wish ko for next year ay madraft sa first round sila Lian de Guzman and AC Minor. I really think they can contribute a lot to the team they'll go to. Ano sila eh, para silang blank canvas. Wow, blank canvas. Currently, they're improving a lot. They're also very adaptable. Si Lian can play sa open, sa opposite. While si AC naman can play opposite now. Di ba nag-opposite siya? And middle. Really hope maging first round drafty. Yun ba yung term doon? First round drafty yung dalawang yon. If ipepeg ko sila, siguro si AC can go to Petrogas, Capital One, Creamline, and maybe Zos. For Lian naman, ipeg ko siya for Chocomucho, Signal, grabe, Vani, Lian Reunion. I love it. PLDT, and sino pa ba? Nextlet. So yeah, I really hope this coming UAAP mag-perform well sila para makuha nila yung attention ng mga magre-recruit. Let's go, Cebu girls! Galingan nyo next year. Let's hope for the best. I love you guys. Bye!